In the beginning, God created the heavens and He created the earth. He created every living thing upon the earth. Thousands of years later, along comes myself, Ed Waters, and I created Freecircle so I could bring you the fireside. We want to bring you truth with integrity, insight that's right, and stories that matter the most today. So climb on in, buckle up, let's take a ride on the fireside. Life is kind of like a jigsaw puzzle. You know, you go, you buy that puzzle because you want to see the beautiful picture at the end of it. But to get that picture, you have to put all them pieces right where they need to be. And life is like that. When we start life, we're looking forward and we say, well, when I get older, I want to be this. So we've created a puzzle for our life. And once that puzzle has been created and you know this is the puzzle I'm going to create, that's when the work begins. That's when each piece meticulously has to be put in place. Examine every piece, find out where it has to go, what direction, orientation it has to be in. And that's what life is. As you're growing and you're progressing through life, life's got a bunch of pieces and it has to be put together just like a jigsaw puzzle. Sometimes you don't see the beauty of it until it's complete. And no life is complete until it's done. So, let's remember that. A complete life is never finished until the last piece is put into place. And then it's a beautiful picture. It's hard to grow your life into something that you want it to be. It takes a long time. A lot of people have a life that's well off, but is it really the picture that they painted for their life? Life is a jigsaw puzzle. To get the picture that you want, you have to put it together yourself. So, examine everything that you do in life and get things put together, and each piece has to be put into place. If you have others help you decide what your picture is going to be, or put your puzzle together, well, you're like that second-hand puzzle bought at the Goodwill store. You don't know if there's going to be a piece missing or not. That's important. You don't want pieces of your life missing, because then you get an incomplete picture. And you don't want to have the second-hand puzzle that is missing a piece at the end. So, go out there, build your puzzle on your own. Examine every piece. Study it well. put it together, because it's going to be a beautiful picture when you're done. I believe that. Everyone's got a beautiful picture or a beautiful puzzle. They've just got to put it together. Sometimes getting those pieces in the right place is hard. You gotta study and work at it. Sometimes you have to grab another piece and come back to that piece later. It's just like anything you do in life. Really take thought about this jigsaw puzzle life. A lot of people start by putting a boundary around their life. They start with the border and then they fill it in. So everybody's got a unique way of building their own puzzle, getting to the finish. The main thing is, don't have one of those secondhand puzzles. Be complete in your life. If you're missing a piece, it's not going to be a good puzzle at the end. So make sure you buy your puzzle. You make sure it's a new puzzle. You make sure it's the picture that you want for your life. And you unwrap that puzzle from the beginning and start putting it together. My mother was a jigsaw builder. She used to glue the pieces. That way, when it was in place, it couldn't be moved. It's solid. So, that's a good idea right there. Glue your pieces down. Once you get them in place, don't let them come out of place. Life is a big jigsaw puzzle, and how you put it together and how it comes together, how long it takes, that's all up to you. Don't let others buy you a second-hand puzzle. Make sure you get a complete puzzle, one that you own completely, one that you know is not missing pieces. Life, it's like a jigsaw puzzle. Have a beautiful picture at the end, my friends. Well, that's it for another Free Circle Fireside. Thank you for joining us. You can find us on the web at freecircle.website. You can join in on the live shows or leave a message and we'll get your voice out over the message. The call-in line is 971-533-7805. Join Free Circle, get your voice out, and thank you for joining the Fireside. Ed, Free Circle, out.